Okay, so now that we know what Codex is, how do we get it installed? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a single line install, though you do need to have Node.js installed on your system. Recommended to use WSL2, a Mac, or a Linux. Windows side, could you do it? Maybe. I don't think I would try to install it on the Windows side of Windows. I would install it in WSL because otherwise you're going to probably run into other problems as coding environments are set up for Linux. So we will go ahead and do that. What's interesting is that Claude used to have this approach as a global node package, but they moved away to a isolate binary, which made it so that you didn't need Node.js, but Codex still is relying on Node.js to deliver their CLI program. To launch it, very straightforward. Once we have it installed, we type in Codex and it launches. Okay, we log in with the login command. So you would type in Codex and then type /login. You could probably also do like Codex login, but I like to launch it from there. We have three options. Looks just like Claude. Okay. There is with the subscription, which is the easiest way. We have device code, which is with a one-time code. I don't think we're going to show that, but it's nice that you can do that. And then we have an API key, so that can come from a first-party provider or a third party. The only third party is Azure, as OpenAI has a good relationship, partnership with Microsoft. And so that's how we'll log in. If we want to check if we are logged in or the status of our logged in, we type in /status. This is different from Claude Code. Is Claude Code status, they have auth status, which just literally shows you the status of the login. But this status shows you more than just if you're logged in. It shows your usage, which account, what mode you're in, the directory of the project that is being loaded right now, what is the current model. So we're getting more information. But for our session, we have the session thing. So it's showing us how we are logged in. And then over here, if we were utilizing the API key, it would show here, API configured to run with Codex, right? And then over here, it's showing the account that you're utilizing. So here we can tell it's a subscription. So this one's a subscription, okay? And then this one here is with an API key. To log out, you type /logout. Pretty straightforward, and it will show you that you are logged out. But there you go, okay?